Turn everybody up, not everybody trying to fuck that.
Nah, bro, nobody was doing that shit before I got around.
Just recognize me from the video.
Oh, that was loaded. I didn't even know. Where he go? Hey, where they at? Man, I'm about to stay. Hey, we got to stay in the middle. Yeah, that was doing all that shit. I got the video. He said he don't give a fuck. He said he trying to slide.
Yeah, he just they were trying to stop him right here. They jumped in front of his shit. He took him.
Currently at the quiet car meet. See police here. We at the quiet car meet, Houston, Texas. Y'all see it, man. Ooh, look at that.
Look at his license plate. That bitch is super. Wow.
That's tough. That's tough. There you go.
Who's cool?
What they at, bro?
Where's cool? We're straight.
I'm about to buy some tail lights right now for niggas.
Man, shout out to your channel, bro.
Hey man, Too Slow Kurt in this bitch, man. You already know. Go fuck with the boy. We live today, bro.
Man, we just met. We in Houston. We just met, bro, today, and he from the booth. We both from the booth, so we had to fuck with bro.
Hey, I'm about to post my pictures, bro.
Man, look at him.
Bro, take
Post
some more
them.
Bro, I'm about to. You think it would be odd if I post the one with the white shirt and the black tee?
Yeah, they gonna know that.
do separate
They gonna see.
my boy Derek right here.
What's up, bro?
Met my boy Derek. Finna buy some tail lights off him, some C7 tail lights. Where they at, bro? You got some nice tail lights for me?
Hold up. The box is ghetto. Boxes.
He said it comes in a ghetto box, but it's all good. You ain't tripping?
I have the blanket somewhere in the front. I wrapped it up nice, but I just took it out like this. Yeah, it looks real ghetto.
See what they looking like. See what they looking like.
So this is a reverse light. These are your running lights. Like they're like, you know, I forgot what they're called.
The
Like the
sequential?
S550 ones.
The sequential tail lights?
Yeah, this is that's a turn signal. And
Right here?
yeah, Euros. They're like Euros, but I don't know what you call them. They go over. Go over like that.
Got some scratches that are built out. That's scratches.
It wasn't scratched like that when I got it. But when I took them off,
What you mean?
when I took them off, they weren't like that.
Whatever. What do you mean? Yeah, man. So I met up with my boy Derek from Instagram, and he got me these sequential tail lights. He was selling them for a pretty good price, and he was gonna ship them to me originally, but then, you know, found out he was coming to Texas 2K over here, and we met at the choir meet. So your boy Kurt finna have some new tail lights soon.
Hello?
Yeah, they nice, man. They nice. Posted up. My boys right there posted up. We all posted up, man. We posted up, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. We got the 5-0s. We got the police everywhere, man. They trying to get people to go home, but nobody going. Masterpiece. Look at that boy.
It's illegal. Hey, Bono.
Hey, shut your ass up.
That's all they're trying to do.
One hell of a lawsuit, my boy.
Nah, for real.
Clear.
Get my ass. Nigga just grabbing people. Nigga grabbing people, bro. That nigga just grabbing people, bro. Oh my god. That nigga just grabbing niggas, bro.
Hey, what did he do?
Nothing. Let me.
That's his girl. Oh, the girl that just got arrested. Your car. Move. Back your car. Let's go. Let's go.
That's crazy, man. They just grabbing people for no reason, bro. They literally just grabbing people and throwing them in the car. The biggest mob in the world, bro. Yes, sir. Let's hear it, man. Let's hear it. Hey man, what's the year? 2018? That's a bad boy. Yeah man, so police shut this whole thing down pretty much. Currently leaving. Yeah, we're currently leaving from the meet. I'm in a C7 Corvette, man. It's a Z51. Got my boy in the ZL1, man. They got my boy in the ZL1, man. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, you're right.
Building, I'm saying, because they're going to chase you around the building, you're back on the highway. The motherfucker missed the turn, stopped, started driving slow, stopped, then went right into a dead end. So I'm like, at this point, I'm hopping out.
Yeah, man, it's been one hell of a night, though. Police chasing everybody. Homie got locked up. They took the ZL1, man. I done came out my sandal. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. The big boy right here. Yo, it's your boy Too Slow Kurt, man, and today is the Texas 2K day. As you can see, my boy back there in the scat You feel me? He got the Scat on him. I'm in the Stingray. And we lit, bro. We just got car washes. And we are ready to head out, man. Yesterday was a crazy day at the Quiet Meet. And today is going to be a better day. All right?